I grabbed a couple snackies on my way home. These Vandy Classic Potato Chips French Onion. These were very expensive. And they say nutritious and decadent. Nutritious might be a reach, but they are made with potatoes, grass-fed beef tallow, black pepper, toasted onion, purple shallot. Yum. Okay. Oh, they look beautiful. What's a perfect potato chip? I want more. I want more flavor. Was it worth it? I don't think so. Truffle thins, creme brulee, dark chocolate. I don't know, I needed a little chocolate. I'm bummed on those potato chips. They weren't, I feel like they would be good to dip into something because they're sturdy and they're not too bold in a flavor, but it's kind of disappointing. Okay, let's see. Stunning. Perfect. It's just what I wanted. It's like, got little crystallized bits. I haven't had this alter ego in a long time. I recommend.